Confused after KUCCPS placement? Deadline iko lini?
Let me take this opportunity once again to welcome you to our YouTube channel. That is Flokirshow. Recently, we made some videos concerning placement of students at the Kenya Universities and Colleges Central Placement Service portal. Over the months, we have been making occasionally some videos on KUCCPS, but we have realized that there is an omission that we have been making, because there is also very crucial information which is supposed to be offered to students who are being placed by KUCCPS, and that is about Helb, Higher Education Loans Board. Being placed to do a course in any institution in Kenya by KUCCPS does not guarantee a student success and finishing after joining. What guarantees the students is the fact that once you are placed in that particular institution, you are able to finance your education, may it be in TVET, may it be in KMTC or university or any other private college which has joined KUCCPS for that matter. And in line with that, Flokirshow has found it necessary to also provide some very crucial information about what happens when it comes to Higher Education Loans Board and the models they have for funding students at various levels and various status of education. One thing that we also want to start by saying is that one comes before the other. Placement comes before application for Helb, because the question is, what are you requiring money for? You cannot apply for Helb before you have been successfully placed to do a particular course in a certain institution. Together, we also need to clarify some information which has been confusing a number of students. Some, up to now, they do not notice the difference between a Helb loan and a Helb scholarship. These are some of the details that we shall be making clear in our next coming videos. And we promise we shall do due diligence and confirm that the information we are giving you is factual and it will benefit you once you come across it. In addition to that, we shall be addressing the issue of the types of Helb loans, because there are quite a number. For example, you are employed and you want to pursue your studies. What kind of loan can you apply for to finance your studies through Helb? You are a student who has just finished Form 4. You want to join a TVET institution. What loan can you qualify for when it comes to Helb funding? You are a student pursuing a course in KMTC. What kind of loan are you supposed to apply for when it comes to Helb funding? These are some of the details that we shall be explaining. Together with that, we shall also be looking at the procedure of applying for Helb loan. What are the steps which are going to be used to apply and qualify for any kind of loan which is provided for by Higher Education Loans Board? Then the other thing that we shall also be checking and clarifying is, should a student apply for Helb loan and finally doesn't qualify for that loan, is there any room for appeal? Can one get it much later? Then the other thing is, what information is necessary for Helb to give you a certain amount of loan? And where does this information come from? Because at times students do not understand why one student will get this amount of money, another student gets this amount of money. There is some information which is provided for, that is your biodata, which is supposed to help the Helb Funding Board to assist in knowing what amount of assistance would you require when you are financing your education, so that there can be equality and equity. We shall also be looking at, once you have benefited from Helb loan and you have graduated, what grace period is given for you before you start repaying. The other thing is, in case you get a job after finishing and you are a Helb beneficiary, what are the details that are supposed to be provided for by your employer to the Helb for loan recovery? What happens once you default Helb, even after getting employed? What are the consequences? What penalties could be there in case you are found to deliberately default the loan repayment? What is the role of engaranta when you are applying for Helb loan? Because anytime you are applying for Helb loan, you are required to have engaranta. What are the implications in case that loanee becomes a defaulter after graduating? Another thing that we shall also be looking for is, anytime you are going for employment, they ask you for Helb clearance certificate. This is very important because they want to know whether you have followed the law. What is the procedure of applying for Helb compliance certificate? After you have finished, you have been employed, you start repaying your loan. Then after you finish repayment of your loan, you're supposed to apply for Helb compliance certificate. And this is the certificate that you are supposed to produce anytime you are seeking employment in any other organization, because they want to know whether they have the obligation to furnish the details to the Helb people about your employment, so that once you are not cleared, you can continue repaying your loan in your new employment. As we promised, I said here, we don't do politics. And please, even when you are commenting, don't ask me any political question, because I'm only giving the facts which are related to education and what should happen. Should there be any political questions, there are other channels which can still provide the information. As we decided to concentrate on education matters, sharing the information the way it is, and informing the general public, so that we can, in one way, build strong communities. And if you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, moving forward, consider this, because this is one of the channels that will always keep on informing you, and we have been consistently doing so. So, if you find the information we are giving helpful, please go to the like button, press it, go to the comment section, give us a comment, and of course, you can share our videos to the potential beneficiaries. Thank you so much. And with that, we welcome you to our next series of videos, which will be only touching on Helb matters. And we hope we shall be able to address the matters of Helb with the depth and necessity required. In Flokirshow, we believe in empowering one another, and through that, we build strong communities together. Welcome, and let's move together. In our next videos, we shall be going into deeper details of each of these highlighted elements. Thank you so much, and continue following us on our YouTube channel. And from Flokirshow, bye for now.
Breaking stories, viral documentaries, and the truth behind the headlines, where Africa meets the world.